Hi, I'm Dr. James Meschino. How should you best treat low back pain? Well, for common low back pain problems, they usually arise from some type of a strain, often to the muscles, where there's muscle inflammation or some spasm. Or some of the joint structures can slip. I mean, those spinal joints have a lot of movement, but they don't have a lot of stability. So certain joints can shift a little, and they can lock. You get what's called facet irritation, where the joints have slipped and they're locking. You get a fixation. And that can produce a lot of pain by irritating the pain-sensitive nerves. Or in more serious cases, the spinal disc can start to bulge and you have a disc herniation, and that requires more specialized attention. So what should you do if you have low back pain from these sort of common mechanical problems? Well, you need the proper orthopedic and neurological assessment to see what's going on. I would strongly suggest that you actually see a chiropractor. And the reason is that the chiropractor can do the orthopedic and neurological tests, but they'll also look at the biomechanics of the spine as well, to look at the individual segments and see what things are not working well at a more microscopic level. The mistake that a lot of people make, a lot of doctors make this mistake, they just get the patient to take an anti-inflammatory or a muscle relaxant or a painkiller, which will sort of resolve the pain, but it doesn't really correct the underlying problem. Whereas, a chiropractor is more inclined to start looking at how they can reduce the spasm, break up the fibrocytic nodules in the muscles that are producing the pain. They can actually do some hands-on work to actually correct or reverse the muscular and fascial problems and get rid of those adhesions, and also then realign the joints and sort of start working towards the root of the problem to actually fix the underlying biomechanical disturbance. They often will give you the right rehabilitation exercises to strengthen the area so that you decrease the likelihood of recurrence. But whatever you decide to do to treat it, on top of that, what should be happening, whether you get medical treatment, see a physiotherapist, see a chiropractor, is that there's also an anti-inflammatory diet that you should be following to reduce the inflammation. And there are anti-inflammatory supplements. Ones that I really like, a combination of curcumin, Boswellia, white willow bark extract, ginger, but also, quercetin and bromelain. There's some other anti-inflammatories as well. I'm bringing this to your attention because, many family doctors, rheumatologists, orthopedic surgeons fail to explain to the patient the importance of diet and supplementation and even exercise in the management of these sort of spinal joint problems that can cause low back pain. It's very unfortunate because it can make a big difference, and it can reduce your reliance on many of the synthetic drugs which have, side effects over a long enough period of time. So the best thing that you can do to understand the diet and supplementation part is I have an ebook. It's called Proven Natural Remedies for Joint Pain, Arthritis, and Inflammation that's available right here, and you should download it. The book shows the exact lifestyle plan you can use to help manage any arthritic or low back mechanical joint problem where there's inflammation involved, and it can be used along with any drugs or medical treatment or chiropractic treatment that you might be receiving. I'll tell you this, every single arthritic patient should have a copy of this ebook called Proven Natural Remedies for Joint Pain, Arthritis, and Inflammation. So download it right now if you have low back pain from mechanical causes or you have any arthritic or inflammatory condition. Now at meschinohealth.com, you'll see my other review papers, you'll see other videos that I've done, footage from my live professional seminars in case you're interested in that, downloads, other resources I've created. They're all available to you for free to help you lead a long, healthy, functional life. It's important that you get evidence-based information that can not just keep you alive, but keep you highly functional, both your body and also your mind. Now, my review articles that you'll see and all my teaching materials that are available have all the scientific references in them, so you know you're getting only accurate, scientifically based, evidence-based information on any health topic that you might be looking for. So make sure that you use meschinohealth.com as an ongoing, reliable resource for health and wellness information for both you and your family members. Thanks so much for watching.